Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to just do some little basic retouching, and that should be cleaning off the, let's take out some of the spots. So look out for the face before doing any of the frequency separation. Take, remove, just hold down Alt and sample from a place, hold down Alt, sample from a place, and I'll keep doing this till I get some part of it removed like this. Okay, so that's good. Like this. Take, come here, come down, remove all of these pimples. I see you can even get some of the skin tones on the lines. So next thing, I'm using the basic tools to do that. Let's go ahead. So I can take this one and look at the brush, the air. If I take all of that and take it out, it's gonna look like this. Let's focus on the hand. Let's remove this one longer. Even if we don't do that, we're still gonna do it anyway with dodging and burning. So just taking out this, taking out this. You can take out all those dark places, taking out this one, which are the imperfection. So now it gets to the point where you have to make the skin even. This is actually easy in Capture One anyway. Let's see about the air if we can. Yep, so that should be fine. Now this is where the air is still rough. We can fix that later on. Let's even just fix it now, taking it like this, and then taking it up, coming down. Let's go up like this. Okay, take the clone stamp tool, select somewhere outside, hold an Alt from somewhere outside and drag, Ctrl Z, clone stamp tool. What's going on? Ctrl Z. I guess it should be working perfectly fine. I wonder what's happening to it. Okay, I think it's sampling current and below. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. So let's change this to current layer and let's see. Still doing the same thing. Okay, I wonder what's going on. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. I don't like the way it's behaving. I'm gonna leave it. We'll come back to it. Ctrl D to deselect. Ctrl D to deselect now. Okay, so now let's work on the skin tones. For us to do that, I'm just gonna create. Just come here, solid color. It's okay. Turn it off. Double click on this color and select the color that you like on the skin. It's okay. Let's zoom in. I like this color. It's okay. Turn it on. Change the blend mode to color, and then reduce the opacity to this percent. Come here, invert the mask, Control I, and then paint it with your normal brush tool. Make sure the flow is set to somewhere like 13 or 8, and then you can brush on the skin. Make sure the foreground color is white. So let's brush and see the changes. At first I even like taking it to 22. Let me see the effect. if I start changing, so you can see how it's affecting the image. Take it down, and paint. So this is just the manual fast method to do it. I won't recommend this one because there are other professional way, but just for, you know, as we start, let's just go with the simpler ones. So I'm just going to do it like this, do it like this, and this one as well. So sometimes you don't need to use one particular color for all of them. All you just need to do now, if you check the end, you can also do that, making sure. So I'm going to quickly do that. Alright, so I'm done with then you can fix this side as well. Okay, so now that we have that, let's look at the skin. Look at it before and then after. Even at that, I don't like this method. I usually love using capture one, so let's leave it at 45 to make it look natural. I'm going to add one more layer, selective color, and I'm going to make sure it's on the red, and we can add a particular color to it. So like yellow, if I add red to it, it's going to look brighter. Let's even brighten up the skin like this. Yep. So this is before and after. Before and after. Now we can move on to frequency separation. So let's create a stem visible layer. I'm going to shift to turn it here. Since we're done with color correction,